How to check in hotel with Expedia. Here's how to check in to a hotel booked through Expedia. After booking, Expedia sends a confirmation email. Keep this email or note down the confirmation number. You can also find your reservation in the Expedia app or website under My Trips. Go to the front desk at the check-in time listed in your reservation. Mention your name and let them know you booked through Expedia. Show a government-issued photo ID. If required, present the credit card used for booking. The hotel staff will check your details and confirm your booking. If there are any discrepancies, share your Expedia confirmation number from the email or app. Once everything is confirmed, you'll get your room key and instructions for your stay. If there's an issue with your reservation, contact Expedia's customer service through the app or website. Thanks for watching.